Alright friends, we are going to do our math lesson today. Go ahead and take out your math book. Remember, on our second math book, volume 2. And let's turn to chapter 7, the Check My Progress page. It is on page 533. 533. Can you believe we have done 532 pages of math already? This is crazy. I'm so proud of you guys. You guys are rock stars. Alright, let's see how we do. Normally, if we were in the classroom, we would be doing this page on our own and kind of using it as like a study guide, right, to practice for the chapter test. But since we can't really do that kind of learning, we're going to just try and do it digitally here for you. So on the Check My Progress page, that means we're just seeing if we understand what we've learned. Remember, chapter 7 has been all about graphs, doing different tally graphs and taking surveys and picture graphs. And now we're going to see if we understand what we learned. So on this part, this is our vocabulary part. So we want to make sure we understand what the words mean. So we're going to read the words and see which definition goes with it. So we have picture graph, data, survey, and tally chart. So let's see. A graph that uses different pictures to show data. Which one do you think that is? That's right. If it's using pictures, then it's got to be a picture graph. So let's draw a line straight across. That was easy. All right, next one. To collect data by asking the same question. So what's it called when we ask everyone a question? Like, what's your favorite sport? And then they can pick baseball, soccer, football. So we're asking everyone the same question, what's your favorite sport? We call that a survey. So we're going to draw a line from survey to that second part there. All right, next definition. Numbers or pictures collected to show information. So that is our data. Data is a fancy word for information, right? All right, and last one, a chart that shows a mark for each vote in a survey. A tally chart. Good job. All right, down at the bottom, it says, write the totals, use the tally chart to answer the question. So let's see, we have a chart here on, just what we were talking about a minute ago, our favorite sport. So the different choices are soccer, basketball, and baseball. So the first direction said, write the totals. So let's see. Remember this, when we have 4 lines in a diagonal, that means 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's write it 8. What's this? That's right, 5. And this, 3. Okay. Which sport has more votes than basketball? All right, let's look at basketball had 5. Which one has more than basketball? That's right, soccer. Let's write soccer on the line. Good job. You don't have to copy my spelling. It's right there on your paper. Okay, flip it over. Doing great so far. Laura asked her friends to name their favorite color. So favorite color. We have green, blue, or red. And then we have tally marks. Okay. And then, this looks like a different kind of graph. Number 6, write in the totals on the tally chart. Which one's the tally chart? That's right, this one, because it has tally marks. So let's write the totals. There's 4, 5, and how many liked red? 2. Good job. Okay, we did number 6. Number 7. Use the tally chart to fill in the picture graph. Okay, so for number 7, they wanted a picture graph. So let's see. Why don't you pause the video and see if you can find a green, blue, and red crayon. I'm going to see if I can find. There's blue. Sorry, put my arm in the way. Green and red. All right. Okay, so we'll start with green being the first one. We have 4, so how many splotches of green will we draw? 4. So you can just make like a little squiggly line. We did 4 boxes because there were 4 green. All right. Next is blues. How many blues will we draw? 5. That's right. So let's fill in 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And remember, you have the advantage. If we're ever going too fast, you just pause your video and catch up. Okay. Next one is red. And there were only 2 reds. 1, 2. Alrighty. We did number 6, we did number 7, now we're on number 8. Did more people choose blue or green? Let's look. Which one had more, blue or green? That's right, blue. That's right, blue on the line. Okay, number 9. How many people chose red? 2. Did fewer people choose blue or red? All right, so we got to make sure we understand what they're asking. Fewer means less, right? So did less people choose blue or red? Which one is less? That's right, red. How many more people chose green than red? All right, so there's a couple things we have to understand here. First of all, we are comparing, right? So let's circle our math words. Many more. And we're going to compare green to red. Okay, so remember how I showed you how to match up your buddies? We're comparing green to red. So I'm just going to draw a line straight through from green to red. So those are buddies. Those are buddies. Is there a buddy here? Nope, no buddy. Nobody. So how many more greens than reds? 2. That's right. And remember how we said there are so many different ways we can solve math problems. That's what's kind of cool about math, is there's never just one way to do something. So we also know that many more means take away, right? That's a subtraction word. So if I take my greens and subtract my reds, so if I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and I subtract my reds, what does that equal? 4 take away 2 is 2. It's a doubles fact, right? Good job. Lots of ways to solve problems. All right, the last one. How many people were surveyed? So remember from the front of the question, survey means asked. So how many people are asked what their favorite color is? So we have to add, go back to our chart, this plus this plus this. So 4 plus 5 plus 2. 4 plus 5 plus 2. All right, let's see. 4 plus 5. What is 4 and 5? Good job, 9. Am I done? Nope, I still gotta add the 2 here. So 9 plus 2 more. So I know that's gonna be more than the number of fingers I have. So let's use my counting on strategy. I'm gonna put 9 in my head and count on 2 more. So I have 9, 10, 11. So how many people were surveyed altogether? That's right, 11. So on the very bottom here, we can write 11. Great job on today's math lesson. We are checking our understanding to make sure that we understand not only the vocabulary words, but how to read tally charts and picture graphs. Great job today.